Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to write a number below a word in Microsoft Word. This is especially useful for typing chemical formulas like H2O, mathematical expression, scientific notation, and academic documents. Instead of manually resizing and lowering numbers, you will discover the correct and professional method or way to use Subscript formatting tool and keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment document. Now I add a subscript here like a square, but this is 2. Now I make the 2 is a superscript or subscript. Select the text, go to the home menu, and we can see here the subscript. Now I am click this and we can see we make the number below to the word. This is a very simple way. Otherwise you can make it another text using the keyboard shortcut key. Select the word, then press the is equal to and plus. Select the word and this. Otherwise you can select this text. Now we can see we add a number below the word easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.